Hi friends, today let us learn about e-way bill. E-way bill simply stands for electronic way bill. It is a digital document. It is generated on the government e-way bill portal and thus must accompany any movement of goods above a certain value. Here are the key rules we need to know. First one, goods value above 50,000 moving interstate, the e-way bill is mandatory and that means it is compulsory. Goods value above 50,000 moving intrastate to another state. It depends on the states. Most of the states require it. And third one, goods value below 50,000. It is not compulsory but can be generated voluntarily. Fourth one, goods transported by hand or non-motor vehicle, it is not required. Exempted goods like fruits, vegetables, milk, for those it is not required. Movement between two branches of the same company, the e-way bill is required for the value above 50,000. Every e-way bill has two parts. Part A, supplier GST, recipient GST, invoice details, goods description, HSN code and value and quantity. And part B, transporter details like vehicle number, transporter ID and etc. See, part A is the commercial details. What is being sent, to whom it is sent and what is its value. And part B is the logistic details, who is carrying it and in which vehicle. So both parts together make a valid e-way bill. Now e-way bill validity. E-way bills have an expiry time. The validity depends on the distance the goods need to travel. If it is less than 200 kilometers, the validity of e-way bill is 1 day. And the distance is between 200 to 500 kilometers, the validity is 3 days. And the distance is 500 to 1000 kilometers, it is 5 days. More than 1000 kilometers, the validity is 15 days. Over dimensional cargo, that is ODC, that is 1 day per 20 kilometer. And once the validity expires, the goods cannot move. So for further, you have to renew your validity before it expires. Now let us get into the practicals. First we have to enable the e-way bill in Tally. So go to F11 and see here taxation. Press enter or click it over here. Enable goods and service tax, that is GST. Make it yes and press enter and come down and here you can see e-way bill applicable. Make it yes and applicable from, I will keep it as April 26. You can keep the date as you convenient. Press enter. Press enter to accept this and press Ctrl A to save this. Now let us enter a sales invoice. Go to vouchers, press enter. Here sales invoice is already there. So party name, let us select Mumbai Mobile Hub and let us press Ctrl A and select sales account. Press spacebar, select Samsung item quantity 5 numbers, amount and rate comes automatically, and now press Ctrl A, select, press spacebar, select IGST. The tax amount comes automatically. And here we have to be very careful. Provide GST e-way bill details. Select yes. Press enter. Dispatch from. Type this place. Ship to Maharashtra. And transporter name new. Let us select new here. Press enter. Type the transporter name. Transporter ID, it is GSTN of this transporter. It should be 12 digit. And here you select road, mode of transport, road. Vehicle number, you have to give proper vehicle number. Here keep it regular. Select the vehicle type regular and press enter. Press enter. Press enter to save this voucher. Come back by pressing escape key. Now go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to GST reports. Press enter. Select e-way bill. Press enter. See, here you can see pending for exchange with e-way bill system. For e-way bill generation, how much? Only one voucher is pending. Here you can see e-way bill register. Click on this. See here all the details, date, customer name, GSTN of the customer, and voucher type, and here invoice value, and here you can see pending for e-way bill generation. Now you can generate e-way bill. What you can do is go to export, select e-way bill. Now you can see all the details here. Here you can see export. You can export it to the Excel or any other format. Later on you can go to the portal and generate e-way bill and come back. Or you can select this option, second option, send online. By clicking this, you can directly generate e-way bill from the portal. After generating the e-way bill from the portal, come back. Here you can see update e-way bill number and date. Press enter. You can enter the e-way bill number here. Press enter, and e-way bill date you can enter it and accept to save that. And that's it. Once you generate this, you can print the e-way bill and give it to the transporter. Come back by pressing escape key. Now your challenge is enable e-way bill in your practicing company. Create a sales invoice above 50,000 with transport details and generate an e-way bill from the e-way bill register. And check the register and see the EBN number appears. After that, drop a comment. And if this video helped you understand e-waybill clearly, please like and share it. This topic confuses a lot of people and your share can really help someone. So next video we cover credit note and debit notes under GST. So subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video.